Scotland's economy boasts a rich history and is transforming for the future. Here's a breakdown packed with data. Basic geography: land area, 78,772 square kilometers, 30,414 square miles. Terrain: mainly mountainous north and central regions, highlands, with a total area of 42%, around 33,240 square kilometers, and flatter southern lowlands, 58%. North Sea continental shelf holds significant oil and gas reserves, estimated to be around 20 billion barrels of recoverable oil equivalent. Historical highlights: Industrial Revolution powerhouse. Scotland was a major player during the Industrial Revolution, particularly in shipbuilding and steel production. By 1900, Scotland accounted for around 10% of global shipbuilding output. Shifting gears, the decline of heavy industries in the 20th century led to a focus on service industries and innovation. Current situation: second largest economy in the UK, estimated nominal GDP of £218.0 billion. Strengths: financial services sector, contributes around 30% of Scottish GDP and employs over 110,000 people. Skilled workforce: Scotland has a higher proportion of graduates, around 50%, compared to the UK average, around 42%. Renewable energy industry: Scotland is a leader in renewable energy, with wind power generating over 100% of its electricity needs in 2020. Challenges: dependence on North Sea oil and gas. Oil and gas contribute around 8% of Scottish GDP, but reserves are declining. Regional disparities in wealth: unemployment rates are higher in some remote areas compared to urban centres. Main industries: services, 83%, including business services, 16%, public administration, 6%, education, 8%, and healthcare, 16%. Manufacturing, 7%, including food and drink, think Scotch whisky, electronics, and engineering. Main exports: Scotch whisky, £5.9 billion, representing 20% of all Scottish exports. Oil and gas, declining but still significant. Financial and professional services, £10.2 billion. Main imports: manufactured goods, £34.2 billion. Machinery and transport equipment, £22.4 billion. Food and drink, excluding whisky, £12.1 billion. Chemicals, £8.7 billion. Interesting fact: Scotland's GDP per capita is higher than most of the UK outside London and the South East. In 2023, Scottish GDP per capita was estimated at £34,720 compared to the UK average of £32,230. Business friendliness and tax laws: Scotland ranks 15th globally for ease of doing business according to the World Bank's Doing Business 2020 report. However, the UK corporate tax rate, 19%, can be a deterrent for some businesses. Main economic problems: uneven distribution of wealth. Pockets of high unemployment persist in some regions, with rates exceeding 8% compared to the Scottish average of around 4.5%. Brexit: uncertainty regarding future trade deals with the European Union could impact Scottish exports, particularly in sectors like food and drink. Future outlook: Scotland has a strong base in innovation and a growing renewable energy sector, offering promise for future economic diversification. Continued investment in education and infrastructure, particularly in remote areas, will be crucial for sustained growth and addressing regional disparities.